Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft and the Elevon Mini. If you're living in a small space like an apartment, RV, or dorm, choosing the right washer can make a big difference. Today, we'll dive into their features, capacities, and automation levels to help you find the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft is a fully automatic washer, meaning it handles everything from filling to draining without user intervention. In contrast, the Elevon Mini requires manual water filling and monitoring, making it less convenient for users who prefer a hands-off approach. This difference can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have a busy lifestyle. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for weekly loads for small households. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini has a much smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds, which is ideal for delicate items or quick washes, but may require multiple cycles for a full laundry load. This is an essential factor to consider based on your laundry needs. Price is always a crucial factor. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft is priced at $345, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. In contrast, the Elevon Mini is a budget-friendly option at just $77, making it accessible for those who need a portable washer without breaking the bank. However, it's important to weigh the cost against the features and performance you require. In conclusion, both the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft and the Elevon Mini have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a powerful, fully automatic washer for regular use, the COMFEE is the way to go. However, if you're looking for an affordable, ultra-compact solution for occasional laundry, the Elevon Mini might be your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like